What happens to your body when you eat salmon? Salmon is a popular type of fish that belongs to the family Salmonidae. There are various species of salmon, including Atlantic salmon, Pacific salmon, such as Chinook, Coho, and Sockeye, and others. Salmon is known for its distinctive pink color and rich flavor. Health benefits of salmon include: salmon is considered one of the best food sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are a type of polyunsaturated fat. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for the body, meaning they cannot be produced by the body and must be obtained through the diet. The two main types of omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon are eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. Here's why these fatty acids are beneficial. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids have been extensively studied for their cardiovascular benefits. They help reduce inflammation in the body, lower blood triglyceride levels, improve blood vessel function, and decrease the risk of blood clot formation. These effects contribute to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Brain health. DHA, in particular, is a crucial component of the brain and plays a significant role in cognitive function. It is important for brain development in infants and supports overall brain health throughout life. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids may help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Joint health. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit individuals with inflammatory joint conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis. They may help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Eye health. DHA is a major structural component of the retina in the eye, and a sufficient intake of omega-3 fatty acids is associated with a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration and other eye disorders. Mood and mental health. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids may have positive effects on mood and mental health. They are being investigated for their potential role in managing conditions like depression and anxiety. To enjoy the health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, it's recommended to include fatty fish in your diet regularly. The American Heart Association recommends at least 2 servings of fatty fish, such as salmon, per week to support cardiovascular health. Keep in mind that moderation and balance are key, as excessive consumption of certain types of fish can lead to concerns about environmental contaminants like mercury. Salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in various physiological functions within the body. Here's why the high-quality protein found in salmon is beneficial. Muscle development and repair. Protein is essential for the growth, development, and repair of tissues, including muscles. The amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, are necessary for maintaining the structural integrity of muscles and promoting muscle growth. Cellular function. Proteins are involved in numerous cellular functions, including enzyme activity, transport of substances across cell membranes, and the regulation of gene expression. Salmon's protein content contributes to these vital cellular processes. Immune system support. Some proteins found in salmon play a role in supporting the immune system. Immunoglobulins and antibodies, for example, are proteins that are involved in defending the body against infections and diseases. Satiety and weight management. Protein has a satiating effect, meaning it helps you feel full and satisfied after a meal. Including protein-rich foods like salmon in your diet can contribute to weight management by reducing overall calorie intake and preventing overeating. Energy source. While carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy, protein can also be used for energy when needed. This is particularly important during periods of increased physical activity or when carbohydrate intake is limited. Nutrient density. Salmon not only provides protein but also a range of essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. This makes it a nutrient-dense food, offering multiple health benefits beyond protein content alone. Including salmon in a balanced diet provides a high-quality protein source that is rich in essential amino acids. It's important to note that the protein content can vary among different types of salmon and cooking methods. Grilling, baking, or steaming salmon are generally considered healthier cooking options compared to frying, as they help preserve the nutritional profile of the fish. Salmon is a nutrient-dense fish that provides a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. Here are some of the key vitamins and minerals found in salmon and their roles in supporting overall health. Vitamin B12. Salmon is an excellent source of vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function, the production of DNA and red blood cells, and the maintenance of a healthy brain. Adequate B12 intake is essential for preventing pernicious anemia and supporting overall neurological health. Vitamin D. Salmon is one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D. This vitamin is essential for the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, promoting bone health. It also plays a role in immune function and helps regulate mood. Selenium. Salmon is rich in selenium, a trace mineral with antioxidant properties. Selenium is important for thyroid function, immune system support, and protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Niacin. Vitamin B3 niacin is involved in energy metabolism, supporting the conversion of food into usable energy. It also plays a role in maintaining healthy skin, nerves, and the digestive system. Phosphorus. Salmon is a good source of phosphorus, an essential mineral that works in conjunction with calcium to build and maintain strong bones and teeth. Phosphorus is also involved in energy metabolism and the formation of DNA. Potassium. While not as high as in some other foods, salmon contains potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. Adequate potassium intake is important for maintaining a healthy blood pressure. Vitamin A. While present in smaller amounts compared to some other nutrients, salmon contains vitamin A, which is important for vision, immune function, and skin health. Including salmon in your diet provides a nutrient-rich option that contributes to meeting daily requirements for these essential vitamins and minerals. It's worth noting that the specific nutrient content can vary among different types of salmon, and cooking methods can also influence nutrient levels. Consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods is key to obtaining a broad spectrum of vitamins and minerals for overall health. Salmon, particularly its omega-3 fatty acid content, is associated with anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including cardiovascular diseases, autoimmune disorders, and neurodegenerative diseases. Here's how salmon's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to health. Omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These fatty acids are known to have anti-inflammatory effects in the body. They can reduce the production of inflammatory substances called prostaglandins and cytokines, helping to mitigate chronic inflammation. Reduced risk of inflammatory diseases. Regular consumption of foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, has been associated with a reduced risk of inflammatory diseases, including rheumatoid arthritis. Inflammatory bowel diseases, such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis and psoriasis. Cardiovascular health. Inflammation plays a role in the development of cardiovascular diseases. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids in salmon contribute to reducing inflammation in blood vessels and improving overall cardiovascular health. This can lead to a decreased risk of heart disease and stroke. Joint health. Omega-3 fatty acids may benefit individuals with inflammatory joint conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis, by helping to reduce joint pain and stiffness. Brain health. Chronic inflammation is associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids in salmon may contribute to brain health and potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Balancing omega-3 to omega-6 ratio. In Western diets, there is often an imbalance between omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, with an overabundance of omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation. Consuming foods rich in omega-3s, like salmon, helps balance this ratio, contributing to an anti-inflammatory environment in the body. It's important to note that while salmon can be part of an anti-inflammatory diet, an overall balanced and varied diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other sources of omega-3 fatty acids, is key for managing inflammation and promoting overall health. Additionally, lifestyle factors such as regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep also play crucial roles in reducing inflammation. Salmon is often regarded as a brain-healthy food due to its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. Here's how salmon and its components contribute to brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids, DHA. DHA is a crucial omega-3 fatty acid that makes up a significant portion of the brain cell membranes. It is particularly important during fetal development and early infancy for proper brain and vision development. In adults, DHA continues to play a vital role in maintaining the structural integrity of brain cells and supporting cognitive function. Cognitive function. Research suggests that regular consumption of omega-3 fatty acids, such as those found in salmon, may be associated with improved cognitive function, including memory and attention. These fatty acids are thought to support the communication between brain cells, enhance synaptic plasticity, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Protection against neurological disorders. Some studies have indicated that omega-3 fatty acids may have protective effects against neurodegenerative disorders, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. While more research is needed, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of omega-3s are believed to contribute to neuroprotection. Mood regulation. There is evidence suggesting that omega-3 fatty acids may play a role in mood regulation and may have potential benefits for individuals with mood disorders, such as depression and anxiety. The brain relies on a healthy balance of fatty acids to produce neurotransmitters that influence mood and emotional well-being. Reduced risk of cognitive decline. The consumption of omega-3 rich foods like salmon has been associated with a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. Studies have explored the potential of these fatty acids in preserving cognitive function as individuals age. It's important to note that while salmon is a valuable dietary source of omega-3 fatty acids, overall lifestyle factors also contribute to brain health. A well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management all play crucial roles in supporting optimal cognitive function and overall brain health. Additionally, individual dietary needs and health conditions should be considered when incorporating specific foods into one's diet. Salmon is beneficial for eye health due to its content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and other essential nutrients. Here's how salmon supports eye health. DHA for retinal health. DHA is a major structural component of the retina in the eye. The retina is the light-sensitive tissue located at the back of the eye, and DHA is crucial for maintaining its structure and function. Adequate levels of DHA are associated with a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other eye disorders. Reduced risk of macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is a common eye condition that can lead to vision loss, especially in older adults. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon, particularly DHA, have been linked to a reduced risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Protection against dry eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids may help alleviate symptoms of dry eyes by improving tear production and reducing inflammation. Dry eye syndrome is a common condition characterized by insufficient lubrication and moisture on the surface of the eye. Antioxidant protection. Salmon also contains antioxidants, such as selenium and astaxanthin, which can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Astaxanthin, in particular, is a carotenoid with potent antioxidant properties that may contribute to eye health. Prevention of retinopathy. Omega-3 fatty acids may have protective effects against diabetic retinopathy, a condition where high blood sugar levels damage blood vessels in the retina. By reducing inflammation and supporting blood vessel health, omega-3s may contribute to preventing or managing diabetic retinopathy. It's important to note that while salmon and omega-3 fatty acids can be beneficial for eye health, a comprehensive approach to eye care includes other factors. Regular eye checkups, maintaining overall health, protecting the eyes from UV rays, and adopting a balanced diet with a variety of nutrient-rich foods contribute to maintaining optimal eye health throughout life. As with any health consideration, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or eye care specialist for personalized advice based on individual needs and conditions. Salmon is widely recognized for its positive impact on heart health, and several factors contribute to its cardiovascular benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These polyunsaturated fats are known to have several heart-healthy effects, including reducing blood triglyceride levels, decreasing blood clotting, and lowering inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids also contribute to maintaining the flexibility and health of blood vessels. Reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Regular consumption of fatty fish like salmon has been associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon help improve lipid profiles, reduce blood pressure, and promote overall heart health. Lower blood pressure. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to have a mild blood pressure lowering effect. This is beneficial for individuals with hypertension or those at risk of developing high blood pressure, as elevated blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. Improved cholesterol levels. Omega-3 fatty acids can positively influence cholesterol levels by increasing high-density lipoprotein, HDL, or good cholesterol, and decreasing low-density lipoprotein, LDL, or bad cholesterol levels. This balance is crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to cardiovascular diseases. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids in salmon help reduce inflammation in blood vessels and throughout the cardiovascular system. Reduced blood clotting. Omega-3 fatty acids have antiplatelet effects, meaning they can reduce the tendency of blood platelets to stick together and form clots. This can be beneficial in preventing unwanted blood clots that may lead to heart attacks or strokes. Heart rhythm regulation. Omega-3 fatty acids may help regulate heart rhythm, reducing the risk of arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats, and other cardiac-related issues. It's important to note that while salmon can be a valuable component of a heart-healthy diet, an overall heart-healthy lifestyle also includes maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress, avoiding tobacco smoke, and moderating alcohol intake. Individuals with specific cardiovascular concerns or conditions should consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment plans. Weight management, including salmon in a balanced diet, may contribute to weight management. The high protein content helps increase feelings of fullness and can aid in weight loss or maintenance. It's important to note that the health benefits of salmon are best realized when it's part of a balanced and varied diet. Additionally, the cooking method can affect its nutritional profile, so grilling, baking, or steaming are generally considered healthier options compared to frying.